Hi, this is Ryan Pinto, demonstrating functionality of my Android app for SER 423. Just like the iOS app, we're using the provided server, and we can see we have it loaded up here and it is waiting for connections. Let me go ahead and run the simulator. Okay, we can see that it is talking to the server. We can scroll through. That's a test I previously added. But if we click on a place, we're able to see details for that place. All the details are, as outlined in the assignment for Android. Basically, some of the places may not have all of the fields filled in, but there you go. You can see it does all of the attributes, the 8 requested. It also allows you to delete in this menu by clicking the minus sign. It will delete it, and you can now see that it's gone. We'll do that one more time. Barrow, Alaska, we'll delete it. And you can see Barrow, Alaska is gone. You can also add a new place. We'll do a Disneyland like we did for iOS. It's Mickey's house. Add a new place. And you can see that the new place is in the list, and you can also see all the transactions as it's speaking with the server. You can actually see it right here, just added. If there's any thing I'm forgetting, we can see we have the navigation is completed as well. So everything looks like you should be, able to test it on your end. I'm not sure why it is, but please enjoy this video. And if there's any other functionalities that I can demonstrate for you, please let me know. Thank you so much.